Hey, welcome to Barrett Jackson from the Collector Car Network. I'm Tyson. We're going to check out a 1957 Chevy Bel Air, but first a word from our sponsors.
Today's video is sponsored by Land Air Sea. Keep tabs on all your valuable assets from the palm of your hand. Remember, with Land Air Sea, theft is temporary. Visit landairSea.com to order your Land Air Sea GPS unit for your classic vehicle.
So who doesn't love a nice Tri-5 Chevy? We're looking at a Bel Air convertible right here that is a full frame-off restoration, only driven 75 miles since that restoration. You'll see the beautiful Larkspur Blue paint job here with a matching power retractable top. We've got the 283 cubic inch V8 and the correct wheel spinners on the hubcaps and everything. Check out the interior, super clean, matching vinyl upholstery front and back for the split bench seat. And then obviously everybody loves a 57 Chevy for these glorious tail fins and the scripted Bel Air anodized gold badging here on the tail end. So super nice restoration here at Barrett Jackson, and definitely wish I could take this one home. So if you're a fan of the 57 Chevy or any Tri-5 Chevy or really any classic car, check out the listings on AutoHunter.com as well as ClassicCars.com. Thanks for joining.